What is trading? The financial markets are primarily composed of stocks and indexes. While stocks are the companies that perform on the stock exchange, indexes like the S&P 500 consist of a basket of the top-performing 500 U.S. company stocks, averaged together to produce a chart that can be used for trading. Beyond that, further derivatives and high-frequency trading markets exist, with trillions of dollars in motion. These trades occur in what's known as black pools and large block orders that are executed by billionaires, banks, or financial firms. Trading is a global phenomenon, with people placing bets and taking trades at high volumes 24/7 across hundreds of different markets. The financial markets are highly regulated, making them one of the most powerful industries in the world. It's important to understand that trading isn't a scam or a Ponzi scheme. Rather, it's a well-structured industry driven by institutional-based financial products and large funds moving massive amounts of money in high-frequency trade block orders across indexes, stocks, commodities, foreign exchange, and now even cryptocurrencies.